Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good morning to all. Okay, so today we're gonna learn on YP single rate or years purchase single rate. Okay, still on the mathematics of valuation. However, this one is, I could say that it is very related to the property. Okay, because of in valuations, some of the valuations we use YP single rate um, as the formula to calculate or to determine market value. Right? Okay. So what is YP single rate? Okay, it is also known as present value per annum, okay, or YP single rates. Okay, so normally we call it as YP. YP is the short names or acronym for years purchase. Okay, all right. So this is YP single rate. Years purchase single rate is a present value per annum. Okay, so when we talk about present value, so everybody will know it is the present value, is a current value, is a today's value. Okay, so that means by the present value, right? Or value today, pada hari ini. Okay, so the present value of right to receive RM1 ringgit at the end of each year. So that's a YP single rate. It is the present value of rights to receive, okay, for example, 1 ringgit at the end of each year for n years, okay, at I compound interest. All right, so that's the YP single rate. The year's purchase single rate is the present value, okay, of the possibility amount will receive, okay, that calculated end of each year. Okay, so that's the present, that's the YP single rate. Okay. Okay, so YP single rate is actually what we will receive every year, right to receive every year, receive every year, but it is calculated in a present day. Okay, yang you akan dapat but kira pada hari ini. Okay. Right, so this is the examples of the timelines, okay, to make it more clear. Okay, so let's say I have a property and I want to invest that property, or I want to rent out the property, okay, today, on year 2020. Okay, so that property will be rent out for 5 years, okay, starting from this year, 2020, 2021, 2022, 23, 24, and 25. So for 5 years. All right. Okay, so I will receive every year of RM 1 ringgit, for example. It's just for example, okay? Okay, so I will receive, or I have a right to receive RM1 ringgit every year, okay, for that particular 5 years. Or I could receive, okay, 1 ringgit for these 5 years of the investment, okay, from the rental. Okay, so the YP single rate is, when we talk about YP single rate, if you still remember the definitions, it is the present value. Alright, so therefore, okay, so for YP single rate, I want to calculate, okay, the present value of the right to receive 1 ringgit for coming 5 years. Present value. But I want to know the present value, today value. Okay, today's value. Alright, so that's the meaning of years purchase single rate. Okay. Hope that you can understand that. Alright, so okay, so at n years, okay, n years for this case is 5 years, and at I percentage, okay. So I percentage normally we took from the yield, okay, or um, opportunity cost, okay, or any related yield. Okay, so this is the formula. It is 1 minus PV over I. Okay, 1 minus PV over I. If you still remember, PV is actually 1 over A. So means that it is 1 minus 1 over A. Then you need to divide with I, the interest rate. Alright. So let's look on the examples. Okay. And we are in the situation that, okay, you need to calculate the present value of the right to receive RM 30,000 per annum for the next 5 years. So it means that these questions need you to calculate, okay, the present value, okay, the today's value of the right to receive RM 30,000. So it means that you will receive RM 30,000 per annum, okay, for the next 5 years. Okay, maybe for the uh, you lease the property, or you rent of the property or whatsoever. Okay, so now the income that you will receive is 30,000 per annum, okay, for 5 years. With the interest rate is at 8%. It's maybe a commercial buildings, okay? Here's 8%. Normally 8 to 9% is for commercial buildings. That's the yield. Okay. Alright, so how to calculate? Okay, so recap back the formula. 1 minus PV over I. Alright, so just put the formula times with that 30,000 that you will receive. Okay. Alright, so now we insert the information, okay, given. So 1 minus 1 over A. So A here is 1 plus 0.08 power of 5. So 1 over that, so we'll get the PV. So then 1 minus PV, alright, so then you divide with the 0.08, then you time with the 30,000, alright. So this is the present value of the right to receive RM 30,000 per annum for the next 5 years. Or in a very simple word, it is a YP single rate. Okay, so that's all. It's very easy. Okay, if you can understand this, then you will be able to identify which is the YP single rate situations, and of course that you are able to calculate that, okay, properly. Alright, so that's all. Thank you.